What was that?
I am a Gundam.
Before we start, I'd like to thank Gunprimer for giving me the opportunity to offer you guys a discount on their products via the channel. Their tools are model making game changers. I've been using their tools for well over a year now, from the razor to the sanding loop system. All superb quality in my opinion, and must have for any model maker's toolbox. Click the link in the description below and use code GundamFan7 upon checkout to save yourself 10% off your purchases. With that said, on with the video. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, GundamFan, and today received another parcel, one of many that I'm going to be receiving over the next few months hopefully, when the pre-orders turn up, because I'm waiting for them and it's really driving me mad. Anyway, this has arrived, and this I'm hoping, if I think I know what it is, this might be for some lucky winner. What I'm doing on Twitch is a 50 sub giveaway. I've already mentioned it on Twitter and mentioned it on my Twitch. So what I'll do is I'm going to be putting a sub count on the overlay, and when I reach 50 subs, I'll do a poll. I think I'll sort of copy or use what Nick over at Mecha Warehouse does. He does a sort of, what's the word? I can't remember what it's called now. Where you pick a load of numbers between 1 and 100, for example, and everyone picks a number, and then you put it for a number thingy, and it picks it. I don't know what's the term. A sweepstake? Does that make sense? And then if Noel wins it in an hour's time during the stream, do a repoll until someone wins it. But only people that subscribe have a chance of winning. I got another wine voucher from Henriheck. Yeah. I don't use, which is a shame. But anyway, this is where I got it from, the good guys over at Henriheck. Yeah, Haribo. Lovely, love you guys. Oh, it's quite a heavy box. This is quite a heavy box for what it is, and the lucky winners will be getting hold of a master grade. Let's get it out of there. You've probably already seen what it is. Those are random noises and ASMR, and yeah, the GPO1. Now this is a 1997 kit, so it's kind of retro. Loads of gimmicks, loads of bits and pieces. It is the GPO1, so there you go. This is up for grabs. So if you ever catch me on Twitch and you fancy yourself this kit, like, follow, subscribe. But no, I've been keen on doing a giveaway on my Twitch, and I just thought, you know, this is it's in mint condition, and the guys over at Henriheck had one knocking about, so I thought, you know what, why not? It's an iconic suit, and yeah, well, there you go. The video's done, cut off, I'm off. I was in an accident today on the road. They sort of go off tangent a little bit, and I was reversing into a space, and someone come along and just in a big Range Rover and decided they wanted the space more than me. But I was already sort of lined up and reversing into it, and they just crossed the road and just reversed. And I kind of stopped because I saw what was happening. I stopped and I put my brake, and they just drove straight into me. So we're in the process of getting that sorted out. I'm just waiting for them to apparently they're friends with the owner of the store opposite, and they're viewing the CCTV right now, so just waiting back to see what they say. I've already got a quote that the damage, if they pay cash, is going to cost £400 plus VAT, so it's not in the realms of expensive fix, but it is what it is. I'm alright, they're alright. It's just a ball ache to happen on a Saturday afternoon. No, it's Monday. What am I on about? Where did I get Saturday from? Anyway, regardless of that, that's the giveaway reveal. That's what's going to be up for grabs on my Twitch. Like I say, go over there, give us a follow, consider subscribing, and you might be in for winning this win. And also, I'm going to be doing the polls live on stream as well, so it's going to be one during one of my streams. Anyway, going back to the heavy arms that I'm doing. This is the main cannon. I've just given it a matte black prime using Mr. Finisher 1500. It's good stuff. This, if you want a really nice matte black, it's really black. It's really nice. And then what I can do on top of this is then a gloss black using gloss black from Zero Paints. This is really nice stuff. So then if I do any metallizers or anything like that, the gloss black is going to give it a really nice reflective surface, which is what you want with your metallics. You know, you want a nice base for the metallics. Otherwise, if you put a metallic over, say, a flat or something that's not rich, you don't get the desired effect. So I am hoping to get some nice metallic finish with this. And also there's lots of detail here, lots of options for masking and giving it different colors. It's the same with the drum carry as well. When you've got that on there, I believe, or something like that, it's going to be like, this is going to be different, and I might do two tones on there. So I've got a bit of color separation options on the gun, but not going too mad into it. And also got myself some metallic bullet belts, so hopefully this is going to make it look a little bit better than the original, because this would take so much time to get all the nubs sanded down and each individual piece painted and so on. And while it does look good once it's done, it does take a hell of a long time. So the metal bullet belt is just a better option for me. Now, I have posted images of the actual suit itself, but here it is. I've still got to do the blues in the shoulders and the front skirts. I've got to change the colour of the feet because I'm not happy with them being orange or red, or should I keep them red? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do I keep the red, or do I go and make the red this colour, so it matches with the overall aesthetic? Let me know. I've got to take the head apart and do the cameras, and I've got to change these around because I put them on the wrong way around. But apart from that, it's not too far away from the decal stage. Once I've done the weapons, or the weapon, because I'm only going to be posting it with the gun, I'm not going to be putting the knife or the shield on or anything like that. It's just going to be with this folded display. It's going to be ready. I'm still waiting for the Ultron to come along. It's been pre-ordered, and apparently it's available in October. So the people over at Hangar Bay, where I've got it from, they'll be shipping that as soon as I've got it. Right, that's it, guys. You're up to date. I didn't really want to do like an update. I wanted to do like an unboxing giveaway specific video, like you can win this kit, pew, 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 pew. But it ended up just being a generic update video on the channel. So there you are. There it is. You can win this. That's getting worked on. I've just had some lunch and I need a nap now. It's my day off and I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. But anyway, thanks so much. If you've got this far, consider hitting the thumbs up, leaving comments and questions and stuff below. Consider subscribing so I can bring you more content like this. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. I'll leave all the details already below. So if you head over to the Twitch and you want to see some live builds and gaming and stuff like that, that's where you'll find me. And if you want to win this kit, you know what you got to do. Anyway, thanks guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.